So now I am going to tell you how you can install code blocks in your PC, whether it is 7, 8, 9, 10. So open your favorite browser. I am going to open Mozilla Firefox, write code blocks, then search. Tap on the first link, codeblocks.org. Then after clicking, you can see this new text page. Go to the bottom, you can see four and dots. You have to click on the first, download the binary release. Click on the download the binary release. After that, you move to the bottom. You can see 3 points: code blocks 1312 setup, code setup, and then code blocks 1312 mingw setup.exe. After that, you can see code blocks 1312 mingis setup tdm gcc. So we have to select code blocks 1312 mingis setup, and 12.12 mingw setup is a compiler which you have to download with this code blocks only. So go to the SourceForge, and at the right side of the desktop you can see SourceForge. Then click on the SourceForge.net. After that, it will open the next desktop, and it is started downloading. So yet I have downloaded that, so I am not downloading it the next time. So open your desktop, and you will see your this application in your downloads. So open this CodeBlocks 1312 Minji setup. Then do you want to allow? Yes. After that, welcome to the CodeBlock setup wizard. Click then next. Then I agree. Read these contracts, and then I agree. Then said leave this as default and print next. Then install. It will take some times, some few seconds. After that, when it's completed, click on yes. Do you want to run the code blocks now? You have to select. You can select no, but either I have to show you. Then I am clicking on yes, and you can also see the icon of code blocks on your desktop. Then click on next. Then finish. Then code blocks will automatically started on your desktop. And here is saying about the compiler, GNU GCC detected. It means your compiler is detected, means your code blocks is ready for compilation also. So now open your local disk C. Then we have to open program files x86. No, sorry. Program file s86. Then code blocks. Click on code blocks. Then mingw. Click on mingw. Then bin file. Then these all are compilers. You can see whole compilers here. Then we have to I am closing that. Here you can see that GNU GCC compiler detected. Okay, here code blocks is opening. Set this leave this as default and click on OK. Then click on file. You can see many options, but you have to click on file, then new, then project, and you can see here many projects, but we don't have any idea about that. We only know about C++. Then we are only choosing console application. Then next, then C++, then next. please enter your file name. Then I am writing test. You can select here any option for your programs and that where you want to keep your program, but I want to keep in documents, so I am choosing document. Then click on OK, then next, then finish. If you want then read, then OK, finish. Then you can see project. So we have created a project named test. Okay, to click on test, you can see now sources main.cpp means C++. You can see this program as default program which is given by the code blocks. So you can see the program now. And by clicking the control and scroll button, you can adjust the screen program size. Then by clicking on build or control plus F9, you can see whether your program is having any problem or not. So now you can see at the bottom, terminating with attitude 0 minutes 0 second 0 error warning. It means there is no error in this program. So now you can run the program. So by clicking this run button or by clicking on the build, and the third control plus F10 will also run the program. So now I am clicking on the button. You can see hello program. The program is running successfully, and you can also see how code blocks is run, and you can also perform such many activities of C and C++ on this program. Thank you.